Yes, hello guys, welcome to this wonderful video of today. So in today's video I want to show you something about this sucker. You can see my sucker, how healthy it is. So in this video I want to use this video as a sample to show you how you can take good care of your plantain suckers. So here, this is my plantain sucker. You can see how I have mulched it, and the plantain sucker is actually doing very well, 100% sure. So you can see the sucker, you can see how healthy and how free of diseases the sucker is. So in this video of today, I'm going to show you how you can apply chemical fertilizer into your farm. If you want to use a chemical fertilizer, in this video I just want to show you how you can use fertilizer. Whenever you are using fertilizer, um, I don't really know the type of fertilizer that you are using, but if you are using any type of fertilizer, then this method will work for you. But for me, I choose using organic product, just manure from the pig fence, from the fowl drop, that is from the poultry, or my compost manure. So, but in this video, I just want to tell you, to show you how you can use chemical manure, how to apply it correctly. So you see, before you want to apply your manure into your fertilizer into your farm, you have see how I have mulched the plantain. You see this gap between this plantain, that is where we are going to apply our fertilizer. So you take a handful of fertilizer, that is a handful of fertilizer like this one, or this one is not even up to a handful. And if you want to apply the fertilizer into your farm, you have to start just around where you have mulched. So you just have to follow the line where I have mulched. You can see we put it round. So this is how, if you want to apply your fertilizer, this is how you are going to do it. You put the fertilizer round the plantain, just as I have done. Don't take it too close to the sucker. You just have to apply it around the sucker. So, and you know that this my holes are very deep. When this fertilizer will dissolve, it will drain and go right down and meet the root. But don't take your fertilizer too close to the sucker, because in here we have bacteria that are taking place, that are decomposing the manure that we have put under. So you just have to put your fertilizer just around the sucker, just as I have done it here. So this is the right way to apply manure, to apply fertilizer to your plantain sucker, your banana suckers, whatever thing, cocoyams, and even maize. That is how you have to apply the fertilizer to your farm. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I just want you to share my video, subscribe to my channel, because I will be bringing you many things concerning farming, as far as plantation, bananas, plantain, and all the rest. I'm going to teach you. So I just want you to just subscribe to this video, share it. I will be taking you to another thing that you have to do into your farm to make it heal, better fruit, and produce well. So I just want you guys to subscribe. Just subscribe and share the video. Just pause the video and you subscribe and share first. Thank you guys for watching. Put your comment, whatever thing that you have not understand. I will help you to get more understanding, more knowledge concerning plantation. So you can see how healthy my suckers are. This is how I want your own suckers to be healthy like mine. You can see my farm. All my sucker are very healthy. Although I have not applied any fertilizer on this my farm, this one here was just a sample to show you how you can how you can use fertilizer. Because every farmer want to, after working, at the end of the day, you need to enjoy the fruit of your labor. So if your land is too dry that you cannot go along only with natural manure, then I'll advise you to also try the chemical fertilizer. Use it so that at the end of the day you will not labor in vain. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I just want you to share the video and subscribe. But before you want to apply this one, also make sure that you also apply this thing, natural manure. You can cut grass at the end of everything. After this my corn has produced, I'm going to cut all the leaves of this corn and the stem and put it under my plantain so that they can grow and do well. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.